In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Robinhood to Coinbase. To do this, what you want to do first is just open up Robinhood and then simply go to your crypto tab and just find the cryptocurrency that you own. For example, I have some Solana, so what I'll do is just open up Solana, but you can also transfer Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or any other supported cryptocurrency. For example, I'll use Solana. So once you have opened up the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, scroll down, and then there you will find send. Simply go and press send, and then you will see this. So from here, just click on enter manually in the bottom. And here they will then have you paste in your wallet address. So to find this, go and open up Coinbase. And on Coinbase, click transfer and then click receive crypto. Now here search for the same cryptocurrency that you selected on Robinhood, which in my case is Solana. And after doing that, you will then see this. So just click on the copy address icon and from there go back to Robinhood and simply paste in your wallet address and then click continue. Then you can choose how much you would like to transfer. For example, I'll do 0.0022 Solana just for this example. Then we'll ask you where is this crypto going. I'm just going to set it to myself since I am sending to my own Coinbase account. And then here you will have the final confirmation. So here just click submit, and after you submit it, it will then be on its way to your Coinbase balance. So that's how to transfer from Robinhood to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.